What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and as you can tell, it is raining today, but luckily I am kitted out here with some rain gear from Little Donkey Andy. Alright, so this rainproof jacket has this nice little bill here, which helps with some of that sun blocking. Has plenty of pockets, but more importantly than all of that, it's waterproof. And all of the seams are sealed, and I'm not getting wet. And when you're outside working on days like today, you need to stay dry. I'm also wearing pants from Little Donkey Andy that are also waterproof and with the sealed seams. Has a nice cargo pocket on the side, has a zip pocket right here, and I'm dry. So even when the weather is not in your favor, you can get something like this waterproof gear from Little Donkey Andy to keep you dry. This is going to go into my vehicle as part of my just in case kind of kit that will, in the event that I'm out and about and need to have some waterproof gear, I will be able to have this pants and jacket put on. Not only does it have all these nice little pockets, you know, if you want to sport a little something with your Velcro on your shoulders, you can. It has these nice arm pockets as well. And you know, this thing is warm as well. So when it's we're looking at a potential like kit type item to keep into your vehicle, you have it for waterproofing. But in the instance that you get yourself stuck overnight, it is another insulative layer that you can use to help trap that body heat. So I highly recommend this gear from Little Donkey Andy. If you guys haven't heard of them, go check them out. Thanks for watching. God bless.